Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to bridge the gap between Google Forms and ClickUp. Since these two don't have a built-in direct connection, we're going to use an automation tool to turn your form responses into actionable tasks automatically. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your automation tool. First, log into an integration platform like Zapier or Make.com. These tools act as a translator between your apps. Once you're in, click Create New Zap or Create a New Scenario to begin. Step 2. Configure the Google Forms trigger. Now we need to tell the system what to look for. Select Google Forms as your trigger app. Choose New Form Response as the trigger event. Connect your Google account and select the specific form you want to track. Step 3. Set the ClickUp action. Next, we decide what happens when a response comes in. Choose ClickUp as your action app. Select Create Task as the action event. Connect your ClickUp account and choose the exact workspace, space, and list where you want the tasks to land. Step 4. Map your fields. This is the most important part, telling ClickUp which form answer goes where. Map your Google Forms name question to the ClickUp task name. Map the description or other detailed questions to the task description. You can also map dates or email addresses to custom fields in ClickUp to keep everything organized. Step 5. Test and go live. Finally, click Test Trigger to make sure the data flows correctly. If a new task appears in your ClickUp list, you're all set. Hit Publish or Turn On and your automation is live. And that's it. No more manual data entry. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.